First press Alt-Control-Delete. Click on Task Manager. End all the Valorant and RIOT Games processes. Now close your Task Manager. Open Start and type Run. Open Run. Type SERVICES.MSC. Locate the VGC service. Right-click it and select Properties. In Startup type select Automatic. Press Apply and then OK. Start the service. Close your Task Manager. Now your problem should be fixed. If that didn't work, open Start and type msconfig. Open your system configuration. Open the Services tab. Locate the VGC service. Select your VGC service. Press Apply and then OK. Press Restart.